Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 4. So I know you guys are seeing me a lot later in the day, but it's because the first half of my day is usually just me getting caught up with finishing off my footage, doing a thumbnail, making sure things are posted, checking out analytics, all that boring stuff. And with Vlogmas, it's been hard trying to find that balance. Like, when do I go to bed? Do I stay up late and edit, or do I wake up and edit? And as of now, I've been editing at night just because it's a lot better to wake up to something produced rather than waking up and you're starting from scratch. Yesterday's vlog, which if you haven't seen it, go check it out. I'll put a link here for you guys. But it was definitely an ambitious vlog. Like, after I finished recording all of it, I sat down and I was like, shit, did I overdo it? Because now I have to edit all of this footage, and I'm not gonna lie, it took a really long time. So today's focus is just gonna be getting caught up with like my life, mostly my personal life, because between YouTube and setting up this shop, I have not been able just to do basic things around the house. You guys saw that I barely have Christmas decorations up, and to be completely honest, I haven't been spending enough time with my other half, with Dustin, and so I want to kind of refocus all of that today and hopefully finish off the vlog content a lot earlier on, so I'm able to enjoy my night with him. And I have seen like 1 or 2 comments in the past like, where is he, or why is he never around? And it doesn't mean that anything is wrong. Everything is fine. It's just that Dustin does work a full-time job, so by the time I'm getting up in the morning, he's already on the train and gone into the city, and so that's why you guys don't see him as much. You did see him yesterday because it was Monday and he works from home on Mondays, but even then, like, we're not really like together because he's working and I'm working, so we're in each other's presence, but we're not like together, you know what I mean? Sometimes when we get disconnected like this, something that just works for me is to do something nice or romantic for him. So as you guys can see, I got up, got a shower, got some makeup on, and now I'm gonna go out to the grocery store and try to grab a few ingredients to put that together for him, and I'll probably come back and do a couple of odd ends around the house, and you guys can join me for that. I hope this vlog isn't like too boring, but I actually got the idea from Minnie Smalls, I believe her name is, and she had a vlog called, you know, Getting My Life Together, and I was like, well, damn it, I have to do that, so here's the opportunity. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I have to walk the dog, I have some emails to respond to, and if I'm not mistaken, I have some packages downstairs. So let's go ahead and get this day started. Alright guys, so doing one of my first OOTDs like ever in life, but I figured I would show you since I'm not in pajamas. I got this coat a long time ago from Zara, probably like 3 years. It is my favorite coat. I need to get it dry cleaned and stop playing games, but winter definitely snuck up on me. And then here I have on this turtleneck that I got from H&M. The quality is just freaking amazing. I just really like it and it fits well. I got it in a large so I can have the oversized look. I got these jeans from American Eagle. I normally don't buy jeans from American Eagle, but they were on sale. They're super high-waisted and they actually fit like a dream, so I'm happy I got them. And then on the feet, you guys know what these are. Those basic bitch boots. Don't judge me. Do not judge me. I have not gone like any type of shopping. I have not gone boot shopping. I have not gone winter clothes shopping, so just bear with me. Bear with me. It is cold outside, but I promise I will get some newer boots. So that's it. That is the New York winter look. I don't know why I'm doing the can. I'm just, yeah, I think I'm delirious. I need to eat something. But this is it. I'm just gonna make it work.
Make it work. Make it work.
So I'm gonna go ahead and get some groceries and I'll be back. Okay guys, we are out here. It is brick. It is cold. But let's get these groceries. Bubbies, hey now. Okay, Mama put these groceries down. Yes, hello. My sweet boy. Hey, come on. Slow down. You guys, I'm always looking for a reason to go into Blick, even though I do not need anything. They might have some Christmas stuff. put up the tree. It's so pretty. We made it, you guys. Wow. Why did I try to hustle all this upstairs at once? Like, why? Like, Dustin is coming home. He could do this. Whew, I'm so extra. Hey guys, so as you can see, I am back from the grocery store. So let's do a really quick haul and then I'm gonna try to get some other chores done. So we got some pasta sauce. I got 2 cans because I feel like I always run out. Bottle of wine because your girl needs it. Got some OJ because I love this in my smoothies, and of course Dustin loves it for breakfast. A box of whole grain lasagna sheets, and we have multiple cheeses. So I have ricotta here, this Italian blend, some mozzarella, and then some shredded Romano, some tomato sauce, and Dustin's favorite yogurt in the whole world. Like, he is so in love with this yogurt, so I have to grab him some every time I go. We got some ground beef, some Caesar dressing, and then just a huge bowl of water. Okay, so just in case you guys cannot tell what I'm making, I'll be making some lasagna tonight. It is definitely one of Dustin's favorite dishes that I make. I just don't make it often enough and I feel really bad. So I want to surprise him with a nice dinner, and then hopefully we have just enough time to just put the tree up and we can focus on decorations later. And before I even start cooking anything, I want to preface, I am not Italian. I'm not Italian at all. No one in my family is Italian. Dustin is not Italian. So before any of you come for me in the comments, I know the way that I'm cooking it is not traditional, okay? It is not authentic. I'm aware. This is just how my mom used to cook it. It's how she taught me, and we really like it. So hopefully you guys don't come for me about the authenticity, because I get it, I get it, I get it. Maybe one day I can learn the real way and really put the effort towards it, but for right now, I make what I know. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay guys, so I've just been checking some email, getting a little bit of sketching done, and also watching Vlogmas because I definitely enjoy them too. And I figured I would show you guys some of the packages that I received between today and yesterday. So let's do a very quick haul. Okay, so this one is from Nike, I'm pretty sure, because if it's not, I'm gonna be upset. What is this? Oh, looks like Nike. Okay, let's check it out. Oh yes, so you guys know I've been on my workout kick. I probably have more workout clothes than I do regular clothes, just being honest. And these are some Nike high-rise leggings. You guys can see the waistband, they're long, of course, all black. My favorite feature is that crossband. I think it looks so cool, and it's gonna look really cool on my waist once I decide to try them on, but I'm excited about these. Oh, I'm excited about this one. So to be honest with you guys, I found out about this sports bra from watching Remy Ashton, Rem Life. I think she's adorable, and I liked it on her, so I decided to get it for myself, and I think it's really cute. It's in a size large, and now that I've gotten it, I'm slightly questioning if it's too big. I mean, yeah, it should fit. I don't know. You guys will see it in a vlog, and you'll find out if they fit or not. Next item is from Target, and I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Oh, yes, but wow, what the hell? I'm gonna have to return this too. Like, why is this life? So we had been complaining about Dakota's bowls being too big. We want to get smaller ones because he's a small dog. And I go to order on Target, and look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's too big. But it's massive, you guys. Like, look, my whole hand can fit in here, and he's a tiny guy, so we just don't need all this. Part of the reason I was getting a smaller bowl is to take up less floor space, but yeah. And as you guys saw from earlier, we got the Christmas tree in. Obviously, I haven't gotten it out yet because it's just a tradition for me and Dustin to put it together. I just think he's running late from work, and so yeah, this is delayed, but I'm looking forward to it. It's a pre-lit tree. I got it from Target. It was a really good deal, and I don't know, I'm looking forward to not having to go out and worry about a tree every year. We can just pop this one up and be done with it. And I told you guys that I shopped Black Friday. I got these gloves from Aerie for like $5. I think they're really cute. And you guys keep seeing that plaid blanket that I have on the sofa. That's also from Aerie. It came free with my purchase, so that's pretty cool. And then these earrings I got from ASOS. I think they are so pretty, along with the ones that I have in now. Not sure if you guys can see it, but they're like really small moons. I think it's so cute, but I love ASOS and their jewelry. It's just decent quality. It's not like Forever 21, but it's not like super expensive from like Fifth Plaza. All right guys, so I think I'm probably gonna do the outro here just because it's getting really late, as you guys can see, and Dustin is still not anywhere close to being home. He had to stay at work a little bit late, so I'm gonna definitely do the cook with me portion because, you know, I want to share that with you guys. But when it comes to like the rest of the night, I think we're gonna end it here because I have to edit this footage right here that I have not even touched. So I'm gonna go ahead, start importing what I have, start cooking. But I really hope you guys enjoy it. I know every day of Vlogmas is not going to be super exciting and extravagant because I am a smaller YouTuber and my life is not super exciting, but I appreciate you guys joining me. As always, if you have any questions, let me know below and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys. think?
Good.
And we're done. Done for you. Say bye. Say bye, Baba.